Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how future simple tense is in English. The simple future is a verb tense that's used to talk about things that haven't happened yet. The structure of the future simple tense is subject plus auxiliary will plus main verb. For example, I will go to school by bus tomorrow. He will wash his car tomorrow. We will get married in April. I will meet her later. They will cook dinner together. There is another way to show that something will happen in the future. It follows the formula, to be verbs plus going to plus main verb. For example, I am going to learn English language. My parents are going to sleep till noon if no one wakes them up. She is going to read that book. You are going to see what they mean. For negative sentences in the future simple tense, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and main verb. For example, it will not snow tomorrow. I will not finish my homework in time for class. We will not quit before we reach our goal. He is not going to say anything bad about his boss. I am not going to finish my homework in time for class. The bus is not going to wait for us. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and auxiliary verb. For example, will he arrive soon? What will you buy with your salary this month? Will you visit your grandma next week? Is she going to finish her project over the summer? We use the future simple tense when there is no plan or decision to do something before we speak. We make the decision spontaneously at the time of speaking. For example, maybe we'll stay in and watch a movie tonight. We often use the future simple tense with the verb to think before it. For example, I think I will have a holiday next month. We often use the future simple tense to make a prediction about the future. For example, it will rain tomorrow. When the main verb is be, we can use the future simple tense even if we have a firm plan or decision before speaking. For example, will you be at work tomorrow? I'll be in Paris tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please comment your feedbacks.